Creatures such as blue dragons, poison dart frogs, hooded pythons, and tiger cobras have the ability to steal poison from their food. Blue dragons store venom in their bodies after eating poisonous creatures like Physalia. Although known to have deadly venomous powers, poison dart frogs will lose their venom if kept at home because they cannot eat poisonous ants in the wild. Hooded pythons derive their venom from the insects they eat. Meanwhile, the tiger cobra snake has a poisonous bite because its main food is poisonous frogs. In order to steal other animals' special powers, these creatures develop the ability to use the venom as a defense or to hunt prey.